Hi guys, today I'd like to demonstrate you our Combi Duster. This one actually is with the two combing brushes. As you know, in our basic model there is one ACW-PRO, which is actually making dusting the car mats, and another one is the combing brush. But in this model we have two combing brush only. And we have a customer actually who asked for this kind of modification. So these actually kind of car mats. It's the company which is actually manufacturing these car mats. And post-production, they look like this. A lot of dry dirt on them, a lot of like threads or whatever, and they need to clean them properly in a fast way. So I'd like to show you how it works actually, and what kind of result we can get using of two combing brushes instead of one ACW-PRO for dusting and only one brush. So the same main switch, start bottom. And here what we have, also we have two brushes like this. And inside also two brushes which are rolling. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna show you the result. Let's make like several car mats. Let's make this one, for example. Let's make another one, something like this. So it's cleaning two sides at a time. Great, it's all like this. Let's have something like this. It's in separate parts. Okay? Okay? So fantastic result. Okay, let's make another one. Something like this. It's a great result. All the dirt is falling down here. Yeah? And we can easily take it out afterwards. We can stop the machine right now, so we can easily take it out, empty it, and put it back. So guys, if you're interested in this kind of product, if you have any questions, if you'd like to get the price of it, please contact us directly, and we are here and we'll be happy to provide all the information. See you!